As Iran's foreign minister, I must clarify that Iran did not agree to Trump's so-called ceasefire. We have never reached any ceasefire agreement with Israel. This liar lied to you again. He colluded with Israel to launch a war against Iran. He has harmed my country like this. Our revenge has just begun. He wants to transform from a war maker to a peacemaker. It's so hypocritical. Tell him it's impossible if Israel does not stop its illegal aggression before 4 a.m. their own time. We will definitely fight back. This is not a ceasefire just because Trump said so. The final decision still needs to be discussed later, not as Trump said that an agreement has been reached. What's more ironic is that there are explosions and the roar of fighter jets in the northeast of Tehran, my country. Countless people living in the area have died as a result. Is this what he calls a ceasefire? Trump's lies are nothing but political manipulation. Iran will never recognize it.